We will be cooking two delicious croissants, one with unbelievably tasty chicken breast and the other with a poached egg. Let's get started. First, let's cook the poached egg. Break the egg and pour it into boiling water. After the 3rd of 8 minutes, the egg can be pulled out, and when it has cooled, cut it in half. To prepare a croissant with chicken breast, take a pre-cut croissant and brush it generously with sauce. Next, lay out the lettuce, followed by the sliced brisket. On top of the chicken, lay out the tomatoes and, if desired, add some pepper. Now it's time for the cucumber. The final step is to add the cheese, spread it out, and close the croissant. Wrap it in foil and set it aside. Now, let's assemble the croissant with a poached egg. Take the second croissant and generously grease it with sauce. Add a leaf of lettuce. Next, lay out the poached egg cut in half, and then add some pepper. We put the tomatoes on top, followed by the cucumber. Now it's time to add the cheese on top, close the croissant, and wrap it in foil. We put it on a hot grill for 5 minutes so that the cheese melts, and the egg and meat warm up, giving the croissant an incredible taste. Let it cool slightly before taking the croissants out of the foil. The croissant may stick to the foil a little, that's okay. And voila! The croissants are ready, and the taste is divine. Don't forget to check out the sauce recipe and chicken breast recipe in the comments.